and action pod. Nose, lock, press button, unlock, discard automatically. Don't forget the milk. Beautiful. Perfect foam. Hot milk. Foam on top. Ta-da! It's a lot more foam, but I don't like a ton, but there's more if I want it.
Come in, baby. Is your creamer still good?
Yeah, it says till September. Yep.
You need to add a sweetener?
Am I?
No, I'm saying, do you need to?
No. No, you don't. I mean, the creamer is the sweetener. The only thing is that I need to get milk, but I think this is still good. Oh.
Come in, baby.
Gosh, I just got that too. It's a good thing I smelt it before I dumped it in my espresso. Oh. May 7th.
Well, you got one more, babe.
This is creamer. I can't use creamer. Damn it.
I'm done, baby.
What's this? Oh, 8 weeks.
Yeah, I don't think you want to put that in there, babe.
I mean, I guess I could just add water.
Alright, everyone. This is it. Sorry. I got stuck. Here's the box. Nespresso. Just came in today. Ooh. Alright, let's dig in. So, I've been looking online. Try not to tear this up too much. Oh well. Been looking online for a nice coffee maker. Haven't found one just yet, so I decided to try this. I got this to do the shots of espresso. Oh, I got a coupon. Nice. That's the instruction booklet. Oops. What is that? Don't know yet. Here's this. This box. Put that over there. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. I guess you put the water in here. Oh wow. Oh, that's fancy. And then you put the cups in here. Yeah. So I guess it's possible in this box here. I may have got samples. Ooh, you get a sample pack. Oh yeah. Oh, isn't that nice? They look like Easter eggs. Oh wait. Oh, it's organized, so this would be Il Cafe, Alticio. Oh, this is like an Italian or something. So I won't close it all the way. Is it? I've never seen these before. Nice. It's a clean design. Real compact. Pop that in there. Close it. I'm not gonna. Oh wow. Oh, check that out. When it's done, the things under here grab it, and that's like a disposal. Wow. Let's watch that again. Sorry. So pretend it's all the way down, and now I'm done. Look at that. And then you just pop another one in. Boop. I'll do it. I'll just try it. Oh, that is too funny. These guys are brilliant. Nespresso, wow. So all the way down, turn it to the left to lock. And I guess you press that button. I don't know how long these videos can go for, or I would plug it in and test it, you know, on camera. So I apologize. I don't know if there's a limit to the video length. And the manual. First steps. Okay. Alright, well this is it. Really, this looks like a really good quality. I'm not trying to make this video too long. Just wanted to bring you in a little closer so you know what you're getting. So I guess fill the water here. Take that lid off. This comes off. Pop it back. And water goes in there. This is the lid. Boop. And you got lock and unlock. Slide it to the right. Be careful because I'm noticing it's hinged. So I'll show you again. So when you unlock it, this version, be careful. It'll pop up like a spring. And you have the pods. They'll go in there. You close it. I'm not going to do it all the way because it's going to... And then boom. I didn't want to puncture it because I'm not ready to use it just yet. I will tomorrow morning though, for sure. And you get a little starter pack. Comes with 12 different samples, as you can see there. Oh, so I could do the coffee and the espresso. Yeah, man, this is gonna be really great. I have a good feeling about this. Wait a minute. I need to figure out what this is for. What does this do? Oh, I think you can change the tops. Maybe not. Let's look real quick. Yeah. Yeah. I apologize, everyone. Just... Dang. It's already at 9 minutes. This may not allow me to record this long, but hopefully I was able to show you enough to where you think you might be interested in checking this out. It looks like extremely good quality. It's way better than I expected. Thanks for stopping by. Have an awesome day.
So I'm cleaning the machine per the instructions. However, it's leaking in the sides, which is not good. I kind of Googled why this happens, and that means that the coffee will be very weak because there's a leak in the side. And also, this side is where you're supposed to put your coffee pods. So why would I put my coffee pods in here? I'm not sure, but I will definitely be sending it back.
I'm very unhappy with this machine. This is my third Nespresso machine. I bought the first DeLonghi one, whatever it's called. And so I've spent like $1,000, and listen, all of them problems. I descaled it yesterday, which took 3 gallons of water and a product and half an hour. I made 1 cup of coffee, and now we're back to this. And it's like I'm running it through without a coffee pod because the other one got a hole in it, and I thought, well, maybe it dirtied it up and now it won't work. But nothing's working. I also looked at the YouTube videos. I'm really tired of it. I need a free machine out of these guys or a refund.